Your ex is heavily stalking you right now. They're missing you, they're thinking about you, and they're regretting something that they did. But I want you to know they are literally obsessing, stalking your profiles. Even if you've got them blocked, they're still stalking. When they wake up in the morning, they're staring at them, watching them. When they're going to bed at night, they're staring at them and watching them. This is somebody who is refusing to let you go, even though they did something that made you have to let them go. Now, you really are completely over your person. You're done. And you've decided to let the relationship go and move on. This took a lot of growth for you, inner growth. It took a lot of strength for you to be able to do that, emotional strength. Do you miss them still? Yeah. Do you think about them? Yeah. Do you want them back? In a sense, yes. But your energy has moved on. What they've done and how they've made you feel has made you literally bring down the sword and say, no, Queen of Swords energy, I'm done, because I have that in my cards here. You're focusing on your future now rather than them, because you feel that you've taken them back before and they haven't learned, and you've taken them back before and they haven't changed. This person is trying to communicate with you as well, but I feel like you've blocked them on lots of things. You've told people you don't want them to reach out, you don't want nothing to do with them. They are literally terrified right now because they feel that you have 100% moved on. They are hoping you haven't, but they feel you have. They can feel your energy has left. And that's what I say in my readings. If you want someone to truly fear losing you, you have to truly let them go to feel that. And that's what you've done. So now this person is so scared that you have said, bye, I'm done, I'm moving on. It breaks their heart. It's not only the fear of losing you and them acknowledging that what they've done has lost you, but it is also them knowing what an amazing person that they've lost and that somebody else is going to have you. The thought of you falling in love with somebody else, marrying somebody else, is tearing them apart. Now, they've done this before. It definitely comes through like that, because the energy I'm feeling from you is, what's the point? Because they've done it before, they'll do it again. And, you know, and there's that cycle there. When they finally get in touch with you, okay, so maybe you decide to unblock them because you're feeling weak. We've all been there. Maybe they get a message to a friend, whatever it is. This is something they've never said before. The message that they come through, I just noticed this as well. The message that comes through is one that they've never said before. So even though I feel like they've begged and they've asked you back and they've said that things will change, they'll be different before, this is something different. This is going to mean different things to different people. This could be an offer, proposal of marriage. This could be wanting to move in together. Some of them are going to say they want to have children, they want to start a family, they want to go traveling. I believe that they're going to say something that you've spoken about and something that they know means a lot to you. They know that this means a lot to you. That's why they're saying it.